So we have Dr. Reba with us today, who is the Dean for Alliance School of Applied Engineering. So ma'am, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay, that's
Thanks
really
for
nice
asking.
that's really nice to know. Okay, so my first question to you is, what is your vision for the Alliance School of Engineering for the long run?
Okay. So we are in a very disruptive technology mode now running. So my vision is actually to cultivate a dynamic and future ready learning ecosystem. I am in that mission. I have some multi-pronged approaches for that. Yeah, this is my vision for engineering.
All right, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell me or give us some idea on how does Alliance prepare their future engineers in terms of innovation, in terms of job?
Sure. First of all, this is an agile world in the world of technology.
Right.
So the students should have that agility, and at the same time, they should have interdisciplinary learning happening. Earlier, it was like it was in silos. Each department, we have different branches of engineering, but nowadays, engineering is one single umbrella under which all engineering are stacked together.
Right.
And then there should be interdisciplinary learning happening across. Say, for example, a mechanical engineer will be learning artificial intelligence, or biotechnology will be adapting to data analytics,
Right.
and so on. So this is one aspect. Another is continuous learning should happen, and the learning should be research oriented.
Right.
Because nowadays every discipline is evolving. So our focus is to give a foundational agility wherein the students will have strong fundas.
Right.
At the same time, they learn new technologies, so that, and they know how to adapt to the changes. Not only to adapt to the changes, they also will be part of shaping these changes.
Right.
So that is a very idea for us to motivate the students to, or encourage or foster the students to have a multidisciplinary learning. And also we give a lot of focus in research. Our faculty are into research, so we always make student faculty groups, and not only in our college, it's also in alignment with other schools, and even with between industries, and as well as with the international partnering institutions.
Right, ma'am. We have looked around the campus and we can make out that Alliance does provide an ample amount of opportunities to their students. But ma'am, in terms of infrastructure and in terms of engineering, how do you think the course of engineering that Alliance has to offer differ from the other colleges that are in Bangalore?
I would say that, see, our edge is like we focus on, I can call it a system thinking.
Right.
That means that it is a comprehensive model,
Right.
wherein, see, we give lot of focus on product development. So from the semester 1 onwards, we have our curriculum is arranged it in such a way that by the end of 6th semester, he or she will have a good product in hand.
Right.
And that will be followed by his entrepreneurial journey. We are not equipping our students only to be working under somebody. Instead, we are equipping them to be job givers.
Right.
So we also have the ecosystem for incubations or accelerations, and startup ecosystem also we have. So our students will be nurtured to pursue these pathways.
Got it, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving us your time.
Thank you.